Welcome to the New World Order. I don't know how everyone's day was today, but they're nuking the shit out of us. Me and my dad, both in this house, being cooked by some sort of fucking microwaves. And when they do it, or whenever it happens, or whatever it is, it burns. You're burning on the inside. My skin is burning. I'm real hot in the middle of my body for no reason. My face is kind of getting red. And I've not gone outside at all but to get the mail. Isn't this great? Now, I don't know why, but whenever it goes down, it's pretty unmistakable. Because they cook in your ass. Like the Viagra clock. I don't know. It's a nice day. Flat tire. Just miserable feeling. Hard to move. Hard to wake your eyes. And burning. It feels like I'm being burnt. That's all. Thought I'd share.